Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video we're going to be looking at the Maybelline Python metallic lip kits. Now these lip kits, they retail for about $7.99 and I picked mine up from my local drugstore. You can get it from like Ulta, Walgreens, CVS, Duane Reade, anything like that. But I picked up three colors: Untamed, Venomous, and also SnakeBite, because I wanted to review the more over-the-top colors, as you would say. So let's jump right on into Venomous. Now the first thing I'm going to note is that these containers do not have their own mirror, so it was a little bit difficult to do in the actual swatching. As I did apply it, I did notice it goes on very creamy. It isn't super pigmented, so I had to put on a lot of layers, which also goes to my next point of they suggest that you apply these with your finger, and it just got very messy. So throughout this entire video you will see me applying both of the shades with lip brushes. Once the color did get on there though, it came out really beautifully. This Venomous is like this beautiful blue-green shade, and it just looked amazing on my lips. And then once you take the kind of the shadow shade on the other side of the compact, it really matted it down and gave it that super metallic shine and beautiful dual chrome color. And then you'll see I didn't really use too much of the metallic shine or the shimmery lip art shade because I didn't want it to be too overpowerful or impacting. I really think Maybelline did a really good job on these kits because they kind of made lip artistry for the everyday person. And one really cool thing about it is that powder shade, you can actually use it as a multitasking tool, and you can use it as an eyeshadow too, which I'm absolutely going to do with the three colors from the three kits that I have because they are stunning. Okay, next I'm gonna grab Untamed, and this is more of a black color lip kit with more like a gold, black, and silver duochrome shadow to put on top of it. Again, you see me applying it with a lip brush, and I'm just building up the color. Once the color does go on though, it's very comfortable, wears very beautifully, so I actually recommend this formula of this lipstick, I guess they want to call it, over the other Maybelline liquid lipsticks that I just finished swatching. I think they were called the Stay Matte ones that we just finished talking about. And now you're gonna see me grab my Sigma Beauty blending brush. It's more of a fluffier brush, so it's gonna give me a little bit more control of where I want to place this. Again, I didn't go crazy applying a lot of the product or really applying it with like the lip art that you see on the packages. I wanted you guys to get more of an everyday use out of this. And again, this color and this combination is beautiful. I would absolutely wear this outside. I would wear the powder shadow as a regular eyeshadow. It came off really beautifully. And then lastly, we're going to review SnakeBite. Now SnakeBite is more of this, like, I want to say it's like an emerald green, and it has like a very gold eyeshadow look to it. Why they paired these two colors together, I'm not really sure. I did start to apply this also with more of the lip art that was on the packaging in mind, so you'll see the way I placed the powder shadow, how it started to take effect. But again, I really wanted this video to be more of a everyday wearable look. If you're going to a party, if you're going to a festival, what you can really do to maximize the usage of these kits. And that's really it, you guys. You can always build up the shades however you want, but all in all, these came out really beautifully. Do I think you need them? Of course not. You can always do this very similar look with items that you have in your collection already. It's really just a lipstick and an eyeshadow. You can do that every day, but to have it in a very compact packaging like that, so that you can take on the go or you can just throw in your bag, it's really cute. And a lot of these shades were amazing, so definitely try one out if you can. See if you can find it with some of the discounts at your local drugstores, or even try it out at Ulta. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you on the next video. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.